my beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did there? Now who they run now? My people, I go watch this. My sister Vicky Corner. Yeah. I was shortalized when he say some couple they don't say they do wetin our Aisha and Odogu they do. Who be those people? Promise. Whether they do mubak together. I say, this couple and mubak that they do. Wetin concern the concern family saga. Now as a content creator, I need to go clear my ear, clear my eye. Now I run go the Facebook. Now I say, now who they do them like this? Oga when bring the main gist, what they call am Odogu and Aisha Woto. Where una come? Una wanna they do those things? Now they think about una children future. Now this one I want to ask you now. Because if you they think about your children future, I don't believe say many of now go risk am. No risk am because I remember when I dey grow up, maybe person want go marry for that family. They say, papa now so like this, oh, papa now so like this, oh. Why? Because they be neighbor. When we they grow up, you hear them say, that family not be family that they near. Hey, no near there, oh. Hey, they go they tell people. They go they tell the mama go they tell pikin, papa go they tell the pikin. That family they diabolical, not near there, oh, near there. You are wrong. Now say this social media now something like that. Our viewer they view us. We don't know them for anywhere. They know us. They know this my face. But view now they see. We know they see their face. We know they see their finger. We know they see anything about them. We just see their comments and we see their view. That's all. Who like the video? Like the video. Don't like to like the video. You want to give you what? We go give you what and toss her nyash and move to another channel. Now just carry on and dirtiness. Come social media. Just because of YouTube money or just because of Facebook money or just because you want to go viral. Come on, you this my sister promise family. You and your husband they do move bank. You they get of your view. Your view they go, high. Wetin come carry you come if na prank. If not be even prank, why bringing it on social media? You dey film video now the thing boss or you just dey live now your husband just no now outside camera. Why social media? Me, I want to ask you, my beautiful sister, promise. Yes, I want to ask you. You dey get your dollar. Look your view. No be moi. Which view you dey find again with bad stain? Tomorrow now, person go say maybe your son gon get luck with good family daughter. They'll say, hey, that family. No, they are something else. Go and look at them in the Facebook, in YouTube. No. They are not good. Wetin papa do, he go do worst. Wetin mama do, he go do am. No. Na so he papa, he born pikin for Nigeria. Your children go dey hear. We dey pray say our papa see may not near us. Our see may not near our children. But those things wey we do not dey do now, bringing your own wetin happen for inside una house, bring am come out for social media. All the name of money. Me una remember say the time of Jesus Christ, if you be Christian, after 40 days and 40 nights, wetin come up now wait. Beautiful things. When the show our Lord Jesus Christ of Nazareth. He said, follow me. I will bless you with all those things. What did Jesus Christ tell him? Get behind me. You Satan, you not rich. Carry all those your fake words. I need my pigs and I need my Father in heaven. Now the thing now they happen now just because of dollar. Husband not come be husband. Wife not come be wife. Now they prank na self. Or maybe not be evil prank. If not be evil prank, mean I not get whether na prank or whether not be prank or if not be prank, why you bring your husband come social media? Why? You know they think of na children at all. Now when they do those things, now they think of na children. Now children want go one place now. It go come big tomorrow. When I remember when I see they grow up, now still be like those na children. Somebody go see you now, go say, I know this person, I know your papa, and I know your father, now your father would nice. Oh, your father. Then they will say your children, they know your papa and your mama, in fact, your papa, it don't make sense. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Not be only they this social media now. People just carry this social media, go to Africa, Muslim my country, Nigeria. People when bring the social media come Africa. Now so Oyibo carry church come give us. We collect them for Oyibo hand. All the ritual, all the pastor ritual. In fact, call wetin church they do now. Oyibo when carry the church come Africa. They don't do them. Look social media when Oyibo carry come now. This France one day, if you want to see them, maybe decorate maybe react to something, or maybe family vlog, or maybe this mukbang. No, Nigeria people, oh my country people, una must disgrace una self for social media. Una must carry una ugly. Una wan make money now. Una eye tear part. They are people when bring the thing. Their eye not tear because they think about their children's future. They think about their generation future, their grandchildren future. Money not just be everything. Our sister KO family, which money you still dey find? Which famous you still dey find? You when you don't get a million, which thing you still dey find? KO family. I was so shocked when I hear am for our sister Choice, Eat with Choice yesterday when he say KO family don still enter. I say what? KO family, you don still enter because I don't get time. My Kenyan people, they carry me, they go, carry me. I was shutterized. I say, wetin you dey find again? Why? I know say later then you come out, you all know hard. Maybe later then you come out and say na prank. Let's wait. My brother Aisha Nodogu, Aisha, please. I know say people say na prank, na they do. But maybe prank can't go wrong. Now, you can't see your husband finish. Small regard, you know, get them for your husband again. And your husband, your day body full on. You know, can stand as a man. Man, they stand. You they see when man stand, but now, it don't be bule man. You don't see him finish, so they use and sit down. It's good when you use your husband sit down. If you don't use your husband sit down, me I use and sit down. It's good. But there is sit down when you use your husband sit down for public. In private, you can do anything you want to. But for public, you will give your husband woto. No respect, nothing. Your husband say watching a video just now they say, I make that video, I delete am because of Now I do, I want to give you now back to back, but I dey with man for us. Now I cause am. I for they give both your husband and you, because both of you, I be like saying, at least as a woman, you're quiet first. If your husband make decision for social media, e no mean say you must come out still make a decision. See, let us know say that decision when my husband, wetin be husband and wife, una know wetin be marriage. Boyfriend and girlfriend say they no even do wetin una dey do so. I know say na money, na YouTube money because they don demonetize una. Facebook na there I for know say no be lie. Maybe initially na start as a prank, but at the end now, no be prank. E come to reality. See this tongue, there is power in this tongue. This tongue, when we see so, there is power. Power. Yes. At the end now YouTube, Facebook when I take the chop, they don't demonetize am. Abi? Then your uncle, your brother give am house now. You when you get mind, Aisha, pack everything for your husband house. Wait, the gift wey they give you now. You pack everything comot. Then your uncle now be your brother now don't give na house now go dey stay for Enugu. You expect that kind man may follow you. Then if you just pour water for ground, you put your heart. Person like if you dey abroad, you will do works. A person like Aisha, if you dey abroad, they say abroad women, you will do more than wetin abroad women dey do. Odogu, my brother, now this one make me say I want you to come out. Okay? As you reject that offer, me, I clap am for you. At least you make sense for this one now. But you know me say you must come out for social media, let us know. I know say you be content creator. As a content creator, use everything to make a content. But this one own, I can't dey shame for. If I not get shame, me, Naija daughter, I can't dey shame for now. You know what thing you go do? Carry your marriage come out for social media. And not if you carry your marriage come out for social media, I mean you know they do a video, you can do vlog, you and your husband can sit down, chat, encourage upcoming couple when they plan to marry. Now use now own say, advise them. As far as your husband and wife two of now good so they do social media. You know me say now carry una ugly parts come. Now people take watching now. People don't already like una. Who like Aisha don't already like Aisha. Who like Odogu don't already like Odogu. May una stop all those today now this. Carry your marriage, you can do vlog day, you dey bath your pikin, you dey breastfeed your pikin, you dey cook food, they do all those things, they upload them. My husband they help me today, all those things are content. Stop your husband they talk today now I feel look, I know say make you look your face, so look outside, that side when they your eye, it good. I pray may your mind calm down, because this marriage for me looking at you, they your eye again, this marriage, so I pray for peace, unity for you and your husband. Okay, you see what you now lose now, that house will now lose now. If not even stay, how would you now get some? At least now for people to rent. You see what it quarrel the cost. Your husband looks and you even see they challenge your husband for them. How would not be the house? If I not, please, all those when they your out no level as a husband just calm. I know say as my brother talk, he say two king can't roll at the same time. One must step down. Who will be the one? And me talk. I can step down. Now your husband they do follow you. We can see say your husband really loyal to you. For now, wetin we dey see o, na your husband really carry the king of the marriage put for hand. Then you na the champion, and na you be the king, na you be the champion, na you be everything. I dey clap for you. Okay, please respect your husband. If you never watch that video, make una go watch am for Aisha and Odogwu, as Odogwu take reject Aisha uncle offer. For me, I no get anything against am. It's good he reject am, okay? Because if a woman can pack everything when they buy for them for inside house, carry am just because of say she and her husband get misunderstanding because they bring child come. What if they come still bring another child? Say her husband already talk, then go throw am outside. He say, may you go stay with her. I know say that thing, it can break woman down, but now please calm down. Not let one person use pikin to destroy your house, okay? If na the pikin na read true, as you don vex, e don dey okay. If na me that pikin when they bring come, I go carry am by myself go do DNA test. Now I be like say they don carry the pikin wrong. They don put bitterness for una house now. The pikin una no come see am. Now they come dey drag your husband say go do the normal thing before they go. Some things, just dey very careful. Respect your home, carry your home together. Not let one person scatter your house. The pikin na thing I not see am now. Maybe after this one, they will start to drag your husband. The money when they take care of the child. I wish you be really wise woman. As that pikin come, you collect am, enter house, you take the two women. Now my husband born am. I dey send this advice to any other woman. If you not see, I know say they painful. I know say they very painful. I not judge me for that. It painful. It dey painful. But when you look one side, you see it the other side. Some people they to destroy. See you and your husband, see you and your partner, they happy. They're not they happy. How they want to scatter and now they need. If that now make me I don't pray to God, say, not let my sense leave me when I dey in the need. Yes. I don't let they talk that thing. May our sense don't leave us when we dey in the need of sense. How wish your sense dey with you? Wait for me, wait here for advice you for do that time. You tell us, okay, no worry. Now my husband, I'm not give me the child now. That must let that black woman when they point, when they shout, I don't really know. You just tell her, me come outside, me come out. Then you go carry that pikin do DNA, and they come they carry that pikin run now, and your house, if not true, no be prank, your house come dey bitter. You see, your mind not come sweet. You come they throw water to your husband. You come they see your husband finish. You know, it's not good. Okay, first of all, if you just first come carry the pikin, when the pikin even take near you, you love to stay with me, yes, then you carry on. Now you for supposed to do that DNA test with that child. Carry your husband and go do DNA. If now you still double think, say when your husband get the child, two of them never know, and your husband don't even know. Your husband, I wish he know, he hide that for you. That one for still overpay you. But for this one, he say he no know. My people, may I leave the matter because my video, I know they like my video too long. Now this one I get to talk. Please, if you be couple out there, your husband now person will like social media, and you now person will like social media. There is things we're supposed to do. Please, don't not just bring all those some things they now dirty. Now I don't know how I want to put on a mess. They will not take about in a future, na children future, na grandchildren future. We not just think of now. We not think of future. Okay? If now one embark on this kind of journey, it not make sense. You can still make your money with legit way, with cool way, with respectful way, not be disrespectful way. Like those one, me I not looking like respectful way. You understand? Your children they work out for outside too, they point, hey, you don't know that guy, that husband and wife when they divorce themselves. It don't make sense. Every time they do, maybe we take off our children. Okay? If today now your first time coming across Naija Daughter TV, or watch am for Facebook on YouTube, I'll post this video for the two places. What are you waiting for? Like this video, give me a thumbs up, follow me if you never follow me. Thumbs up for me. Let us think with you. Okay? See, I see you now in my next video.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I they win by default and without any doubt.